How to make Notepad++ the default editor for a Windows batch file? In Windows, if you right-click a .bat file, there's an Edit option, which opens the .bat file with Notepad. How do I make Windows use Notepad++ instead? Note that this is different from the question how do I set Notepad++ as the default editor? In that question, user asks for a way to make Notepad++ the default opener for specific file types. This is not what I want here, since I expect that double-clicking on .bat files executes them.
Change the program associated to the edit verb for batch files. Run regedit as admin. Navigate to hkey_classes_root /batfile/shell/edit/command. Modify the default and change value data from %systemroot %system32 /notepad.exe%1 to C column /program files x86 /notepad++ /notepad++.exe%1. Close regedit. Right-click -edit should now open batch files in Notepad++. Note, you may have to adjust your path to notepad++.exe if it resides in a different folder on your system. Also note, this is a system-wide change.
If there are spaces in the file name being edited, then double quotes can be used to surround the argument. For example,